Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and enter About Phone. Now we have to scroll down in order to find the build number, which may be quite strange for you, but first of all we have to activate the developer options in which the automatic system updates are applied. So let's find the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see here, we've got the information. What's more, if you'd like to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to simply find our video, because we've got it, I've just recorded it, so you will be able to find some more useful details about the developer options. So now after activating, we have to go back to the general settings, enter the system, and find the developer options. Now basically all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. So basically just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, which simply means that your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you basically do not really have to remember about manually updating your device, but remember about restarting it. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Motorola Edge 30 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.